I got some vintage soap going out. Look at this, man. 1982. This went for $59.99 plus shipping. What up, YouTube? Thank you for tuning back into the channel. This is actually continuing from my last video. I think I had about, at the time I had 17 orders going out, 18, 19 orders going out. At the end of the day, I ended up having like 27 orders go out on a Wednesday. For me, that's good. I mean, I'm part-time. Like I said, last video, I don't know what happened. I don't know, but I'm actually mailing those today. And I got a couple at the office I gotta go find and ship. If this is your first time tuning into the channel, I'm a part-time reseller. I go to thrift stores, estate sales, your sales, all that good stuff. Find stuff for the low and try to sell a little bit higher. If you like stuff like that, subscribe. Straight up, you understand what I'm saying? So let me get over here. I gotta work later. I gotta do stuff fairly quick. Kids is doing stuff. Let's get to the office, find those, and let's go ship this stuff out. I also wanted to say a thank you. I appreciate y'all for all the people who have reached out as far as for my father, all the thank yous and prayers and stuff people put in my last video. Really appreciate that. I wasn't gonna say anything, and I'm glad I did, because some of the people on Facebook, some people that living locally here, had some information about the dog and stuff. So it's kind of working out, kind of find out who these owners and stuff is of the dog. So I'm glad I decided to say something. The news actually picked it up. If anybody's interested, I might put a link in the description or something like that. So anyway, thanks a lot. Also, on my way home from Cincinnati the other day, I stopped in a couple of thrift stores. I got a little footage. Didn't get much, but I got a little footage right here. You find some stuff? We at the Goodwill. Let's see what we find. Look at all them games they got back there. Can you see anything? It's so far back. This is like, this Goodwill's like a department store, ain't it? It's clean, ain't it? Not used to clean Goodwills. You want that? No. I can put that out there in the garage. Huh? Are you serious? I mean, I can put it out in the driveway. We can play one-on-one. You don't like that? I do. Man, we have a ball out there. You said you want a basketball rim in the driveway. I said 10 feet. Not 10 feet? I can put that up. I can put that on the house. Okay. Okay. So, TV. This is mostly glass. Yeah, no, I don't do no glass. Look at the shoes. Sperry's. $6. Put that on the driveway too. Any toys up here? Hmm? Soccer ball? Yeah. Dunking contest? Alright, let's go. Not dirty. Yeah, it's too clean, ain't it? I never seen a good one. I like the dirty Goodwills. Let's look through these t-shirts real quick and then we can go. Good. We just never, no. Those are the ones that has the good stuff. The ones that's dirty, you know? Feel me? Yeah. No, you don't. So many. So many shirts. Not so much. just lost.
Oh, they're lost.
Alabama. Ohio State, Buckeyes, this. Okay.
Yeah.
You got a stain in it though.
So where's the stain? Oh, right there.
Yeah.
It's still okay.
Look.
Somebody tried to sell it for $45.
Hmm.
Somebody tried to sell it for $45.
Yeah, it's a wrap for that.
I know.
Mm.
I mean, you can take it. It just has a stain in it. That's it.
Alright, we're gonna go with it. How much is it?
It's $4.
$4?
Yeah.
We might go with it. Let's see what's up.
You can sell this shirt right here.
Hmm?
So, you can sell that shirt.
You just like it for you. Put that.
I know.
Put that. That's your size. You want that?
Hmm.
You like that?
Look at the back of it.
I got that's a piece of lint that comes off. Alright. Didn't get much. I think I got a shirt here, a shirt there. Y'all know I'm picky right now. I'm not just getting a bunch of stuff. So if I find something that looks halfway decent, you know, a nice vintage shirt or something like that, I'll pick it up. And that's end up what I ended up. Does that sound right? That's ended up what I ended up doing right at the office. Only got a couple things that I got to get from here. I printed out some labels at home for those. I actually have about 6 things that need to go out tomorrow, but I'm gonna worry about them tomorrow. First thing I got to get is this slicer. As you can see, it's right here. I gotta see if I have. That's it right there. That's kind of awkward. I hate awkward boxes like this because it's about, I'll say about 16 inches long. Anyway, that's sold for $18.82 plus shipping. This is actually on my 30% sale. I think my 30% sale is why I got all these actual orders. I mean, I put a sale pretty much on everything 60 and older, like I was saying last video, and it's paying off, and I'm glad because it's moving a lot of this older stuff that I have. Next thing I got going out is this watering irrigation timer start. I should have kept that because I need something to, what is it, an A? It says it's an A. I should have kept that myself because I need something to water my grass this summer. Something with a nice timer on it, you know what I'm saying? Hopefully it's an A, let's see. Yeah, here you go right here. Pretty much just keeps up knowing when to water your grass. It sold for $16.46 plus shipping. Been having this a while as well, so glad to see it go. Next day, and as you can see, I made some socks.
Yes, sir.
These turned out pretty good. Thanks a lot, Justin. Justin, the viewer of the channel, decided to get his dog on some socks, and they turned out great, man. I see he had that Ohio State bow tie on, so I threw a little red in there, you know. Not an Ohio State fan, but you know, they usually have a good team. Got killed this year by Alabama, but it's all good. You know how to throw it in there. Also, I got some vintage soap going out. Look at this, man. 1982. This went for $59.99 plus shipping. If you ever find vintage soap, it's a bolo. Been having this for a little while, so it might sit for a while, just depending. But I got a bunch of this soap. I actually got 2 more of these, and I got them all listed for $59.99. So this one paid for all the soap I had, which was a bunch that I got from an estate sale one day. Another patch. Y'all know about these. I forget what that went for, but I will put that on the screen. This is all I have here. As always, we gotta go over to the office, get a couple more things. And yeah, let's go. I got a letter in the mail, a postcard, I guess that's what that is, from Aaron's mom, Best Offer Queen. Shout out to her, she's on YouTube. She's actually having a baby. Have you had the baby yet, Aaron? I don't know. I haven't been watching videos and stuff here like that lately, but her mom sent me a letter that says, basically, just wanted to send you a thank you note for great socks, for the great socks you made. They were a great hit at our late Christmas. Thanks again, Best Offer Queen's mom. P.S. My grandkids scream when they open them. So I guess they love the socks, and that's crazy, man. Thanks a lot, Aaron's mom, for sending me this, man. This means a lot. I love when I get stuff like this. It pretty much motivates me to keep going. I've been making socks for a while, and I love making them. You know, I love the reaction people get. There's nothing like a great custom piece for yourself, something that's only made for you. I mean, I just love doing it. So first thing I got going out, which I don't even know because I haven't even looked at the computer. Let me get over here. Okay, first thing I'm gonna grab here is I'm actually gonna grab two things because I gotta is a hockey jersey. So one of these. I actually got two. Got this one. Are they both the same size? XL, small, medium. Let me tell me I grabbed the right one. Let's see. Yes. No, I didn't. I grabbed the wrong one. That's my luck. When it comes to 50-50, I'm always off, man. So if it's a 50-50 chance for me to win the lottery, I'm not gonna win it. Here we go. Small, medium. This sold for $59.99 plus shipping. I think the buyer's about, I don't know what they into it. It's sold. All right, plus shipping. I'm going to Georgia. Second thing I got going out, I should have stayed in there, is a Woodmont, like an Andrew Rowan. I've been having this for a long time. This is probably like one of the first piece of clothing that I bought. When I seen this sold, I was like, here you go right here. I was like, it is gonna sell. You know how you got that one piece? It might not be clothing, but it might just be something that you've been having forever. Just been there, like one of the first things you ever bought. And it's just sitting there and you put it on sale and stuff like that. It's still sitting there. It's actually a great sweater. Look at that. Nice. It sold for $15.87 plus shipping. Sold some more of them cones. While I'm here, I'm gonna read the buyer. Barry said, hey Dave, long time watcher, repeat buyer. Oh, repeat buyer. Thanks a lot. I just never read that. Said they run a local soccer program and wanted to reach out to me. It's a lot here, so I'm just going to abbreviate it. Basically, he runs a soccer program, and with COVID, they didn't really have a season, so they saw these, and I actually had these on sale, and I'm glad somebody got them that, you know, watches the channel and actually is going to use them because it's a great deal for them. Basically, they said they love all the videos, the content, and they happy my dad's doing better. We'll continue to pray for him. Hey, Kevin, I appreciate it, man, because he's doing better, and people praying it works because he was able to save all his limbs on his both hands, and right now it's just rehab. He's gonna have to do like a skin graft because he's gonna have to take skin from, you know, his legs and arms in order to put on his hands. And I'm sorry if I'm grossing anybody out, but that's what's going on right now. And but he's in good spirits. You know, he loves his stocks and his stuff like that. He's watching that, and he's watching a lot of YouTube videos now on hands, and he's going down a little rabbit hole on YouTube. So I appreciate it, man. But he is doing better. He's still in the hospital. You know, it's gonna be a while. But he's better, he's in good spirits, he's laughing, he's smiling. And that's all that matters, right? Anyway, let me get these. Some more of these. I need to list some more. It says I'm out of stock, but he got 5. And it says 0 quantity. And I got more than that in here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I got him to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 left. So I'm probably gonna put 6. I always like to put 1 less. And I might need to relist. It says I got 9. Let's change it to 6. And let's go down to list item. How do we list that with 6? Because I think I'm gonna take one of them home, even though I think I said I had 7. So anyway, shout out to you, Kevin. I appreciate it. Last thing I got going out is a sports research sweat swimmers waist trimmer thing. Where's it at? I don't know. I know it's going to Puerto Rico, but I don't know exactly where this is. Because it's one of those things I bought a long time ago that I can't find. Oh, I think I see it. Got a couple of them though. Hopefully this is a size medium. Please let it be a size medium. Small, yeah, medium. This sold for $15.71 plus shipping. If you're not following me on Instagram, it's Tesla Pickle, just like my YouTube. Follow me over there, man. I've been trying to be a little bit more active, do a lot of stories, show what's going on. Like I might do a story now of what I'm doing now. You get it on Instagram before you get it over here, because your boy's always delayed some days. I can't post every day because of everything going on. So follow me over there at Tesla Picker. And also, yeah, I do want y'all to comment about that hoodie, because I'm gonna get one. I'm gonna show y'all the sample when it comes in. I just love those colors, and I'm thinking about, you know, doing that. And if I do, I might do a little small run, and that'd be nice. So just trying to do something different from just a typical t-shirt and a sweatshirt that just has your logo or something written on it. Something that looks nice. But all that being said, y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all be good. Peace.